I have made over 5,000 trades on my pocket option account, and I know exactly which strategy work and which don't. Most of you can't open the right trade because your brain is overloaded with information, you are not confident in your knowledge, and you constantly doubt yourself, which is why your trades are unprofitable. I'm going to show you a simple indicator that is a step-by-step plan. You will finally understand the conditions you need to make an open trade and when it's definitely not worth trading. I will start with a small deposit and try to increase it by a factor of 5. Here we go. Well, let's get down to practice. In order for us to make some cool, confident trades today, we will need to create an account on the website, TradingView.com. It is literally an indispensable assistant for a novice trader. After registration, you click and open any chart on the full screen, and then add the currency pairs that are on your platform. Today, we will trade on regular currency pairs without OTC markings. Let's say we have a euro-dollar chart to add it to TradingView. Here we click on plus. We must select the forex section and write the name euro-dollar. And from any supplier, we add this asset by clicking on the plus. That's it. This chart appears on our TradingView platform. Now let's add cool indicators that are not available on the Pocket Options platform. The next step is to add a cool automatic indicator on this platform. We go to the indicator section in the upper panel and write its name. We have a bunch of indicators. We select in the list the indicator from the author of ChartPrime. He has almost 8,000 users with that name. We click on it once. This indicator automatically draws support and resistance zones and gives signals. For example, the last signal we had was to buy. So after this candle, we enter into an increasing trade and look at 1, 2, 3 green candles, and this signal would have worked out confidently. So let's test this indicator with you on this platform. So here we have a breakdown of the level. I don't see a signal yet, but here we can confidently go for an increase in the euro-dollar currency pair. I open one trade with half of my balance so that if anything happens, we have the opportunity to be safe. We have already overcome all the horizontal levels that we had here. Moreover, we have tested the level that we just broke through, and accordingly we can safely and unhindered move higher. But because here we don't have any levels at all, so we are in fact just entering into an uptrend trade with you. So we have the first trade plus $43 turns out to be on our balance. While we are thinking with our head and trading here, my robot has already sent me 2 signals and they have all closed and a plus. Please note that the signal time is 15 minutes, which means that you will definitely have time to copy all your trades, make them on the platform, and get identical results. And by the way, this is a daily updated statistic of the robot. Let's say we have 22 positive signals today. If you want to test this tool too, go to my channel and follow the link from the description. Guys, we have a signal for this asset. Unfortunately, the pays out are not very encouraging, but what to do? We are opening up for an increase because here we also had a signal for an increase, which we generally see here. We have formed a level from which we may not continue this upward movement. At least I really hope so. Let's see how it all ends. Although look, our trade is closing quite confidently. A glowing green candle appears, but another signal appears, and we probably won't enter here. We will look for another asset, but overall we made good money with you. On this chart, we are currently at the same resistance level. we see that a couple of candles ago, we had a downgrade trade, which unfortunately did not work out. But logically speaking, I think that right now we can enter into the same trade after the candle is fixed. This will happen in 5 seconds. So I'm ready to press the down button and let's see how it all ends. So I'm flying into a downgrade trade here very quickly. We had a lightning reaction from the resistance zone and a signal was formed here. In general, we have a lot to fall into. Before that, the growth was quite aggressive, so the correction should also be deep. Well, I've got the last trade. I hope it will close after 40 seconds. This trade is also open on the downside signal. I think my comments are unnecessary here. Let's just wait for the trade to close. 3, 2, 1. Well, we get into the final trade. It closed beautifully. That's the story we have today. All the trades that I made on the strategy closed in the plus. Of course, this rarely happens, but 8 out of 10 trades on the strategy must be closed in the plus. If you apply additional skills, we have increased our balance 5 times today. I think this is a very good result in such a short period of time. So if you want to trade the same way, do not forget to subscribe on my free Telegram channel. There you will find a lot of useful information for traders. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.